In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove admin from your Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to menu. After that, first of all, we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to our page. To do that, I'm going to tap right here at that arrow, and then I'm going to select my page. After you have switched to your page, go to menu again, then tap right here at that gear, and then once you are taken to the settings and privacy, tap right here at search icon, and here search for access. You can just enter ACC, and that's how you can easily find the option page access. Once we get into it, it will show us all the users that are having access to our Facebook page. It could be content managers or moderators or another admins here. This is my main profile, and that is my test profile, which is also an admin in that particular page. And now to remove that user as an admin, all we have to do is just hit right here at 3 dots and then select remove from page. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.